Hello students, today we move on to part 2 of your banking recurring deposit we are doing. There is one topic only. So if you see yesterday's video, the last video part 1, I have shown you how we used to formula to find the maturity value. So this is second part. So there are 4 unknown here you will see. Maturity value, your monthly installment, time, N stands for time and I stands for interest. So I have done 2 sums on maturity value. Today I am going to show you 2 sums on rate of interest, and I start with the very first question which came in ICSE this year 2020, question 8B of ICSE 2020, where which question says Mr. Sonu, there is Mr. Sonu, who deposits 750 for 2 years. So always convert the year into months, and maturity value means at the end of 2 years he gets 19,125. So question is asking what is rate of interest. So here I will have 2 methods. So this sum I am going to do by method 1. Both are ultimately same children. So this sum I will do by method 1, and when I do the next sum I will use another method. So what will you see there? Same thing, rate of interest we will find by 2 methods. So here first I will start with formula 2. So I will write this formula just the opposite. Pn plus I is equal to MV. So what is monthly installment? 750 into number of months 24. This is what we want to know. Interest, how much interest he gets we don't know. So maturity value is 19,125. So interest is 19,125. When you multiply 750 into 24, you will get 18,000. Okay, 20s are 750, you will get 15,000, and 4 times 750 you will get 3,000. So the interest is rupees 1125. So in the method 1 we are first getting interest. Now I will apply formula 2. So formula 2 will come here. Now what will I do, children? I will write the right side first because R is on the right side. See here, I interchange the formula because we wanted I. So left is equal to right, therefore right is equal to left. So same way I start with the right side of the formula. So you will see P into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100 is I. So this is the interest given by bank. This was Mr. Sonu's investment, his investment. Now let us substitute. What is P? 750. His monthly installment is 750. Months and time in months 24 into 24 plus 1 25 into R. We have to find R. 2 into 12 into 100 is equal to I, which is my 1125. So we get a simple equation like thing. This is equal to this. We have to solve for R. So you cancel 0, 0. 2, 12 are 24. This all cancel. 24 with 24. So down we are left with 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So we have if you see R is equal to 1125 into 2, this goes up by 75 into this 5 goes down. So if you want to cancel here, I'll show you how we cancel. So first, same thing I'm writing because there is no place to cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1, 5 twos are 10, 5. Okay, now 75 directly you can do 3s are, or you can do 25 3s are. You can do with 5, you can do with 25, you can cancel with smaller or bigger term. So I am doing with 25. You could have done directly 75 3s are. So ultimately you will get 3 into 2, which is 6%. So once more, we first get the interest. This is method 1. Then, so here I use formula 2 and then formula 1. Next some children I'll show you. I will use formula 1, then formula 2. So another ICSE question I'll take. This was 2020 question 8B of this year ICSE 2020. So we get I, we substitute. So one small thing you see, I have reversed both the formula because I have to know. So I have written this on the left and this on the right. Same way over here, I have to find R. I have cancelled and I got R as 6%. So kindly pause the video and copy whatever is in the whiteboard. So now we move on to ICSE 2014, which is question 9 in ML Agrawal's book. This is unsolved. So I will solve it. So this is my second sum. I'll do by method 2. Then this is for you to practice. Solved example, ML Agrawal's book. Okay, ML Agrawal's book, exercise 2. Question number solved, you do 4 and 5 again, and unsolved 7 and 8. So I hope all are ICSE except I think this one. So please practice after this both method. You can try whichever method you like, you do that. So here I told you I'll use first formula 1 and then 2. So Shahrukh deposit 800 per month for 1.5 years, that is 18 months. And at the end of 1.5 years, he gets 15,084. So you have to find what is the rate of interest. So this is the maturity value. Okay, so here we go by method 2. Both are given in the book. Both are equally good. So we use I. So this formula directly. What is P? 800. Time is 18 months. 18 plus 1. 19 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. So let us cancel. 2 will go 9 times 4. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. So finally what we get, children? 2 into 3 into 19R. So you can write 6 into 19R, which is 114R. So here I get I. This is nothing but my I. Interest in terms of R. Now let us use formula 2. So formula 2, again I am interchanging, you see. Pn plus I is equal to MV. So MV. Shahrukh's own money, he puts 800 for 18 months. 800 for 18 months, and this is the interest given by bank in terms of R. R we don't know, children. 114 R, and maturity value is your 15,084. 15,084. So here we go. Leave this side R, and this is 15084 minus, if you do 18 8s are 144. So you must know the table properly up to 20. If you subtract 15,000 14,000, so you will get 684. 1400 from 15,000, if you understand, subtract, you will get 684. 114 R you can write as this. See, next step, how to make R is 684 by 114, and as you know, 114 we got as 6 into 19. So this also helps. Sometimes I write 6 into 19 because ultimately I have to cancel. So 114 is bigger, I write it as a factor. So this you divide by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 2 left, 6 fours are 24. Now you get 114 by 19, and you know 19 is a prime number, so you must, I told you, you must know table up to 20 in your fingertips. Otherwise many sum you won't be able to solve. Especially compound interest, share and dividend, they involve lot of calculation, mensuration. So please learn the table up to 20 if you don't know up till now. So now 6 it will go. 19 6, so we get 6%. So once more, I have used second method. I have got I in terms of R. Then I reverse this formula because I have to get R, which is actually under I. So I put this side, transposing is easier. So Pn plus I is Mv. So I get 114 R is this. R is 6% like previous sum. Also we had this sum also. So kindly go through this 4 sum. 2 I have done on rate of interest. You do this 4. Solved 4 and 5 of exercise 2 ML Agrawal, and unsolved 7 and 8. So this was my part 2 video. Part 3 I will deal with finding P, that is monthly installment, and the part 4 will be on finding the time. So this is my part 2. If you want to see how to find maturity value, you see part 1 of banking video for that. So thank you boys, thank you students for watching.